You were doing freelance on the side at PwC, but then you decided to take the leap. Was there like something that you needed to see or something that had to happen before you were comfortable taking that leap?
It's a great question. I definitely I know I needed to feel comfortable. Like I needed to know I had a client base. I needed to know that I had some sort of a vision for what it is I wanted to build. Like I didn't want to go into this blind, right? I also needed to know like that my business structure, like even if it wasn't where it needs to be X amount of years from now, that I had something in place that I could rely on in terms of like having the right tools, understanding the flow of the technologies, how I interact with my contractors, what are my expectations of them, how we win work, understanding our revenue channels, understanding just a lot about how a business thrives and how it operates. And so the day I began to see it as an entity more than just a side hustle, that's when
Hmm.
I realized that I had what it took to actually build this and to do it,
Yeah.
more than just side income. So there's a lot of markers or indicators to look for. It really, when you get to a point where you're like, I need to hire someone, that's a pretty good sign. If you're
Yeah.
saying that, like if you're getting like bombarded with different requests for work, and you feel like you have to turn stuff away because whether you don't have the right resources or you don't have the right amount of time because you have a corporate role, things like that. There are things to look for. It's usually when you feel like probably stressed,
Okay.
where it's like, okay, that's a good sign. Even though I'm stressed, it means that this is doing well enough where it has legs and we could probably build something and run
Hmm.
with this, and this could be sustainable.